as young people, if you're listening to the sound of my voice, we have similar issues. This is why we reject to be divided along tribal lines, along any party lines. And you've seen what has happened at the top. I really want to commend my party leader, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency Raila Odinga, for the merger the memorandum of understanding that he signed with the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. As young people, we have very simple demands. We want proper healthcare. We want an education. We want an end to police brutality. The young people have shed so much blood in this country, and we want that to stop. We want all the rogue police officers to be brought to book in this government, in this political dispensation. And we've said, we tried doing it out there, but then we realized that formation was not working. Now we are inside this structure. We are inside the room. We want to bring those structural changes from within. And I'm urging my party leader, Your Excellency, together with the President, sort out the issues with the youth are talking about. We have always remained to be peaceful. You have shown us that you can unite there. And if you're also a young person, and if you're out there, you're saying that these political parties do not work for you, form your own parties, come to the table. Let us ensure that when the deals are happening here within the political parties, we are not somewhere out there and missing out on this. So this is a clarion call to everyone in the movement. It remains strong and it continues. Gen Z now represents Generation Zote. We will not exclude any old person, young woman, differently able. They will be here. And we are asking this government to work for us, because that is the work of any working government. Asanteni sana.
Like you've heard, the clarification. This is used for broad-based government. My name is Victor Njeru, and I'm the SG of the Youth for Broad-Based Government. So I want you to get the leadership structure as it is. So I think you can do the introduction with the position.
Yeah, my name is Omwansa, son of Omwansa. I'm the treasurer and national coordinator of the Youth for Broad-Based 2025.
My name is Linda Chepkoech, and I am the vice chair for the Youth Broad-Based Government. Yeah.
Kasmuel Mcoure, I'll be chairing this initiative and ensuring that we bring all the youth together in this country to ensure that this government works and delivers for us. Viva comrades, viva!
Viva!
Long live Raila Odinga, long live!
Long live!
Long live President William Samoei Ruto, long live!
Long live!
Long live the Prime Minister Raila Odinga, long live!
Long live!
Who says that the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga betrayed them? I think it is a rather unfortunate position. It is unrealistic, because the Prime Minister has offered himself not once for leadership, and he has consistently been rejected at the ballot. So whenever he enters a handshake, it is usually him accepting and respecting the voters' law. And you know, this is like a marriage. It's like you're going out with a lady and they reject you, and then they hear you got married, and then they come and tell you that, now you betrayed me. I don't think Raila Odinga betrayed anybody. And if you see in the memorandum of understanding that he signed, the issues that we have been speaking about are the exact same issues that has led to that merger. And we are hoping that in this new dispensation, we will be able to realize solutions without taking the children of the poor people to die on the streets, without taking these youth, because these are the youth who offer their lives. And sometimes some of them are staying on social media and they don't want to join us in the streets, or sometimes they don't want us to, people want us to have chaos for the sake of chaos. We have career activists who just, the only way livelihood can be is when their people are perpetually protesting. We are saying, because all of us are on the streets here, Sindio? Yes. Now we are saying, we also want to take a breather. We want to be alive in a country that works for us. So the Prime Minister has not betrayed anybody. If anything, he has done yet again a thing that is in the best interest of the country. To stay away. And now, the thing is, he is also in support of the young people. Therefore, I think when it gets to the point where he betrays us, I will be the first to let you know. Ndio, my Vice Chair.
If you've read the merger, you can see that they are stating that they are going to work on economic, political, and
social.
The social welfare of the people of the country. So in terms of accountability, the president, the current president, His Excellency Honorable William Samoei Ruto, and then Prime Minister Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, then they are going to work together to ensure that there will be accountability in terms of answering issues to deal with social, political, and economic as well. Yeah.
Yes. Now, hizo mbinu, as you've asked, the Prime Minister is doing nothing that he has not done before. He has gone to the streets. If anything, he went to the streets. He's consistently gone to the streets for Finance Bill 2023. Then we joined him on the streets for 2024. Now, because we've done protests and we've gotten an audience, because remember previously, there were people who were talking about shareholding, who did not want, they were calling us what we are kelele when we were doing Jar Revolution and Sufuria Revolution. Now we've gotten a chance at the table. That's what we are saying, that now we are embracing this dialogue approach. And that's why you even see at the end, they talk about the NADCO. If the dialogue fails, the streets cannot be closed. But I believe that this process will bear fruits for the Kenyan. Ndio. I'll answer the first question saying that you asked if this would be the right time for Baba to vie for presidency. It has always been the right time for Baba to vie for presidency. But we, the people who claim that he is mtetezi wa wanyonge, have consistently failed him. We have consistently turned our backs. So there is no promise which you can make to Raila Odinga that we've not made to him 5 times. So we are saying, and right now would be the best time because he would have sided with us and shaken this government and taken it over. But he chose to be a statesman and he put his interests aside for the stability of the country. And therefore, he's not after power. I think he already has enough influence in this country and he can get whatever it is that he wants. This one is for the stability of the nation. On the second one, I agree with you that there are only 2 tribes in Kenya, the haves and the have-nots. And that's why we are uniting and saying we will not be divided according to any other facet. We want to unite. We do not care about your creed, your religion, your race, your tribe, your gender. All of us understand that this is a class struggle. And once we do this together, that's when we will achieve the results. And this one is not even, of course, it is more nuanced, but we can do it together. This is just a beginning, and we will reach out to youths across the entire country. Even the ones who currently sometimes might disagree with us, we will reach out to all of them. If there is a broad-based government, that government must serve the youth. And we are the youth. Asante sana. Thank you very much, guys.
Vijana musilale,
Lale lale, vijana musilale. Bado mapambano, mapambano, mapambano. Bado mapambano, mapambano, mapambano. Bado mapambano.
vijana musilale,
Lale lale, vijana musilale. Bado mapambano, mapambano, mapambano. Bado mapambano, mapambano, mapambano. Bado mapambano.
You can shake your hand as a sign of peace. Eh? Broad-based. UDA. Tujibebe.
Hivyo. Zilio comrades. Kabisa. Sasa tutapiki.